Natalie Lynch is a credentialed investigator and licensed attorney, not a vlogger.
What do you do if somebody brings up other workplace complaints during their interview with you about a separate issue? If it's a very, very unrelated issue, you can ask the person, hey, do you understand how to appropriately make a report in your investigation? Usually by the time I've gotten into an interview room, I'm very well aware if a client has, a reporting hotline or, a comment box in the break room, or how they accept reports. I usually know that by then and can talk to somebody about doing that. But in addition, and while I won't spend a lot of time doing this because the budgeted time, and expense that I'm incurring on behalf of that client is budgeted towards a particular allegation, so I'll make a few notes enough to get the point across, and I will report that back up to my client contact, because I wouldn't want to be responsible for having been negligent on behalf of my client in receiving a complaint that was never furthered. And so sometimes the client will follow up and say, hey, Natalie said you had a complaint about this, that, or the other. I wanted to make sure that that was going to get into, our reporting hotline, or, can I ask you some more questions about that? But I don't, as the investigator, take on broadening my scope of investigation because somebody else in an interview position brought up some other allegation.
Mom, you have to tell people to like and subscribe.